you start a business. In this video, I will discuss how I started a business and when I started it. Have you ever wondered? How do they get started in business? I have a simple tip on how to start a business quickly and easily. Rather deciding when is the best time to start a business, instead ask yourself, when do you want to get started? Because many people always wait for everything to be perfect before they starting anything. Doing business is talking about when do you want to start. If you can begin right now, do it now. Call your prospects, and then call your potential customers. Make an appointment with them and set aside time to meet them. Offer the products you want to sell and the services you want to offer. You will definitely be able to become an entrepreneur. Because when it comes to business, there is only one goal: profit. You can already call yourself an entrepreneur if you can make a profit. If you are not making profit, at least you're still learning how to be an entrepreneur. Don't give up. So my great friend, my tips today are simple and easy to implement. When are you going to start your business? I am expecting for you to do it right away. Good luck to you, and see you next time.